Okay, so in this video, I want to do my part and show you all how to make your own disinfectant, just in case all the stores you're going to don't have it. First of all, don't hoard stuff. Be considerate of older people and those with disabilities. They can't just run to Costco and snatch all the toilet paper or hand sanitizers. Plus, if you get the coronavirus, you're not going to be shitting your pants constantly anyway. I'm making this video because of all the hoarding and price gouging that's going on. The CDC has provided ways you can create your own disinfectant with everyday household items. It's cheap, it's available, but most importantly, you don't have to leave your house as often and risk getting sick or getting others sick. This jug here is bleach, and that's all you'll need. It's enough to make literally tens of gallons of disinfectant. You'll need bleach and water. Tap water, faucet water, garden hose water, any publicly available water will work. I suggest, however, not to use drinking water. You need something to drink. This bottle is filled with faucet water, and that's perfectly fine. The purpose of the water is to dilute the bleach. You can use bleach directly to disinfect stuff, but that can actually be toxic to you if you touch that surface and rub your eyes by accident or something. Plus, you don't want your kids or pets to get poisoned. The ratio should be about 20-1, meaning get however much bleach you want, pour it into a bottle, and then get 20 times that amount in water and mix it all together. This bottle is filled with roughly 20 times the amount of bleach I poured into this Starbucks bottle. This will dilute the bleach enough where it's safe, but still potent enough to kill any harmful microbes. You can play around to make it more potent or less potent by decreasing or increasing the water to bleach ratio. Now, you can put this in a spray bottle and spray surfaces, or put some on a paper towel or cloth and wipe surfaces clean. A word of caution here. This is a disinfectant and not a hand sanitizer. You shouldn't put this on your hands or any part of your body. It's simply to clean surfaces like tabletops, phones, steering wheels, doorknobs, things like that. Keep away from children. This jug of bleach I got from the dollar store, and just about any bleach products work. Plenty are still available, and you can make as much as you want since cities won't shut off your water during this crisis. Other already made disinfectants and sanitizing equipment are overpriced, and in times like this, we have to be innovative and resourceful. That's how we get through the bad times so we can have enough to enjoy the good times. Be safe.